So we are here in Huntington Beach and we are about to go to the Surf City nights. I took you guys once already, but he's never been.
Never been.
So we're gonna all do this again and he's gonna experience it and we're gonna have lots of fun, so let's go! Alright, it's not part of the event, but this cop car, it's pink and it deserves to be in this video.
Huntington Beach Police Department.
It's pink!
They're doing something. That is it for everything that we saw over there. It looked like it's really cold and people are shutting down and going home, or people didn't want to come, or people already left because it's almost over. Yeah, it's kind of almost
yeah.
Well, it's cold. It's halfway through,
yeah.
But it's cold.
Yeah. So now we're going to go down to the beach and go and show you guys. It looks really pretty. Go, Fluff, go! Oh, but that one's going,
That's a flying food. More. Frosty the Snowman. Jack the Skellington. Peter. And this one says goodbye.
Oh, he's cute.
Goodbye.
And since they were closing down everything early, we didn't find anything that we really wanted. So we came to Donutery and we're gonna get some donuts. And this is one happy boy, look at him.
It's chilly, so we're gonna treat ourselves to something warm.
Yeah, let's go. And it's all fall decorated out. It's so cute. So cute, I love it. Ooh. Look at all the vegan ones. For all my vegan people out there.
So you ready?
And then we have the donuts. So we got 6 donuts. He got a Nutella filled donut. And he got a Nutella with strawberry donut, and then he got this pink one.
Strawberry curler.
Strawberry curler, I guess.
Mhm.
And then, loud car going by. And then I got a seasonal pumpkin
With
vanilla. This is vegan. I got a blueberry with lemon glaze of the vegan, and then a vegan peanut butter and jelly.
It looks cool.
Okay, we are home.
Sweet home Alabama.
It was pretty cold out there,
Chilly.
and we're sorry that there wasn't a whole lot going on.
Not our fault, but we did get you beach cam.
Yes, we did. we did. Hopefully, I can go back with you
Yeah,
and you,
and you.
and there will be more booths
With a T.
going on over
Booths
there.
With a T.
Booths.
Booths.
Booths. Yeah, but for what it was cool. There just wasn't a whole lot there.
Yeah, it was chill.
Unfortunately.
I feel like the booth people were like, yo, it's cold. We gotta
Yeah.
just pack up and dip.
Everybody looked pretty miserable, sadly,
Yeah.
but it was very cold, and it was towards the end of the night, and it's getting darker sooner, so I'm sure nobody wants to be out there in the dark.
Yeah. But we made it a little bit more fun.
Yes.
Got some donuttery.
Yes.
Treated ourselves to some of that, so that was
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Saw the shipping containers out on the ocean,
Yes.
and that was cool. I like it. Great day. Good day. Positive day.
So, short but sweet. If you guys are in the area, go check it out next time it's going on. There might be more booths there for you guys.
And you know what? If there isn't, get donuttery.
Yes.
Treat yourself.
But we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Woohoo!